10-point agenda which was signed between our late leader Raila Odinga and President William Ruto. There is a 10-point agenda, and I can assure you that the 10-point agenda is the business we are doing between now and 2027. We are working towards the implementation of the 10-point agenda, and we have many of our sons inside this government. We have our Minister for Finance, National Treasury, Mbadinyang. We have Minister for Energy. We have PSS. Some of them are from here, even from Migori here. So we are very solid in this government, and I want to assure our people that we are working towards the implementation of 10-point agenda. Also, something raised by Fatuma here, the compensation to the people, victims of post-election violence. You are aware that there's a team that has already been formed that is looking into that. I and John Buddy, we have agreed that once those estimates are, the estimates are given out, once they tell us that this is the amount of money that is required to compensate our people who perished in the post-election violence and conflict, we will be able to do our part and be able to avail the resources. Omele Turwa, anado na wachununi, wabeduru motegno ichama mar ODM. Once ya kucha, waonge debate mora mora iwach ODM. Kendo onge gimoro ni ngato nyalo yombo kata mna nyathi gweno ODM. Tawinjo ni Migori kae, jomoko go korgi ni ODM orumo Migori kae ni idhi yier gi maonge ODM. Jo Migori wiye ni inyalo yier ngato moko kali ODM Migori ka. Adwa no ashwa, kena no ashwa mna duok jo Siaya wach. Ni jo Migori owacho ni gin gi party mane Raila Amolo Odinga wayogieni. Ema gibete nyaka chengane lwere mo wacho ni jo ODM ok nyal yo Migori ka. Adwa ni mondo unge ni ODM ni. This is the most important investment that Raila Odinga has left us. That if you really love Raila Odinga, then you must fight for ODM. That is the reason I said recently in Siaya that if there is anybody that I held grudge against and is a member of ODM, I decided to put that grudge aside because I do not want to let down Raila Amolo Odinga. Wadwaro ni mondo wakony ODM, wager ODM because ODM is our voice. Without ODM, nobody will deal with us. Ka party ni onge, ka waonge gi party ni wawe party ni mogore piny. Onge ng'abro moso wakata ni jaluo ni kanye. Omi ODM is our voice. Akwa jo Migori ni ubed motegno ODM gi jotendwa man kae mondo waendeleza destiny mar community. Jiadimo wacho ni mondo aduok ni jo Siaya mowuok Migori. Mogik, we are doing our best because the president has given us the opportunity to work under him. Development programs in this county, I cannot even count. We have so many development projects that we are starting and they are already in the budget, and very soon you will see so many things going on. Omiyo jodala wairu kamano Nyasaye madritu. Thank you.
Asante sana Tandmeli. Kora doka thuolo ni mar luongo